Welcome back to Gearbest. I hope this video do find all of you well. Unfortunately, coronavirus has taken the world by storm. As each day passes, the pandemic finds its ways to hit more cities and countries. So wearing mask is one of the ways to prevent yourself from contracting the ever-mutating virus. So, if you do have a N95 which is sitting right in front of me, you may ask me, how long do a N95 last? Well, unpacked, you may check on your package, see the production date, because it can be stored no more than 5 years. And you have to watch out for the conditions because that affects the durability. If you do have it and you are about to use it, make sure that you don't use it uninterrupted for more than 8 hours. However, everybody don't have enough N95s, I guess. So you may ask me, are N95 reusable? The answer could be yes, but you do have to check on the conditions, see if it functions well. Here we offer 5 of the tips if you can make your N95 reusable. So first, we will suggest you to wear a surgical mask underneath your N95. That's easy, right? And second, you have to check on the front nose bar to see if it fits or not. And third, no close contact with an environment or an area of a patient that is co-infected or infected with the disease. Fourth, not contaminated with nasal secretions, blood, or any other body fluid. And fifth, not used in an aerosol generating process. Just make sure you do take care of yourselves. We care about you a lot. See you guys next time. Bye.